Brandon with Deluxe Motorsports. Back at it again. Looking at a super nice 2015 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. It's a very sweet looking Jeep. I love the color of this Jeep. Orange is one of my favorite colors, so I can be a little biased on the color. But it just looks amazing. It is in very good condition. You can tell this has been a pavement princess its whole life. There's not one rock chip on this vehicle. Looks very nice, has some very nice looking rims on it. We'll just take a second to admire the paint. This is just in amazing condition. This is for sure never been on a trail before. Usually these hinges get pretty chipped up pretty quick on these Jeeps, but as you can see, all four of them are in very good condition on both sides. This Jeep is ready to go no matter what you want to do with it. Start out here. It is lifted with a rough country lift kit. It looks very clean under there. It's got, I'm pretty sure, not 100% sure, let me double check here. Not sure on the size of these rims, but they're 17-inch rims. I'm not sure on the width of them. Looks like they're probably 17 by 10, something along that line, maybe 17 by 9s. Looks very nice, got a very nice off-roady style tire, some ridge grapplers. Exterior of this truck is in mint condition, like I was saying. There's nothing you can see wrong on this truck. Got an aftermarket upgraded soft top. Pretty sure it's aftermarket from B's Stops. As you see right there, this top's in very good condition. There is no leaks on this top at all. Looking very nice. Take a look at the inside. If you guys haven't told by the pictures on the website yet, this is a 6-speed Jeep. You don't see many of those. Pretty nice nowadays if you like those manual cars. Interior of this Jeep is very clean, as you can see. Got the Rubicon leather seats in there. Very clean, not one rip, no stains. The carpet is in very good condition. As I was saying, there's no leaks on this soft top. Back seats are in just as good condition, if not in better condition than the front. If you are looking for a manual Jeep, off-roading or pavement princess, we got one here for you. Come on, take a look at it. Deluxe Motorsports.